Miss Co.
Hey guys, Miss Co here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your very own zine. If you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Materials you need: paper, pencil, eraser, scissors, and something to color with. I'll be using color pencil. Let's get started. First, we're going to fold and cut. First, let's take our paper and make a hamburger fold across our paper. I'm going to fold it directly in the center. Make a nice sharp crease. Once you have that, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to fold it one more time down the middle. It's another hamburger fold. Try your best to make the corners line up, but if it's not perfect, don't worry. And you guessed it, one more time, we're going to fold it down the middle. And this is going to be another hamburger fold. Once you have that, I'm going to open it back up and you're going to see that I have the opening to my paper at the top and I have the seam at the bottom. I'm going to cut along the red line and then just cut to the center where the lines all meet. And that's where I'm going to cut up to, and I'm going to open my paper back up. You're going to see 8 different squares with a cut down the center. I'm going to have my paper up and down, and I'm going to grab the 2 center folds, and I'm going to grab it and I'm going to have it completely straight, and I'm going to flip it. And then that's going to help me make all the pages to my zine. Let's try to do that one more time. I'm going to take the 2 center panels and flip it out. It's going to make a star, and I'm going to fold the pages into one another, and it should make a zine like this. Draw and color. And there you have it. So this is my zine right here. I decided to make mine into a little comic book, and it's called The Colorful Life of Miss Co. by Miss Co. She wakes up, she eats, she makes art, she eats again, and she goes back to sleep. Good night. The end. Now you can make your zine into anything you want. You can make a comic book like I did, or you can make it into a little magazine, which is why it's called a zine in the first place. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to send me a picture of your work when you guys finish. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!